Hello friends. So today I've come with a new project which is on Carla and let's see what it does. So this project is basically about parking a car inside a house from a road, like it's a straight road and we are going to take a left turn and that's it. So here we are not going to do anything much but just one function which is the bike control function. So this is the important thing which are done here. And so without wasting any time, let's get started. So, to be frank, like these things and like these are not important at all. Like even though I've written them, so let's concentrate on the main thing. So here, I loaded the world town one. So like actually, I think by default they load the world town three. Town three, and I did not wanted to use my config file like config.py to change the world, so I just changed it here, and then I used the bike Yamaha YZF, uh, just like that. Like I needed a bike, like I said before, like I'll park a bike and not a car. And then I spawned it at the 12th location. Like 12th means the 13th in the whole list, but in index wise it's 12th. And I dropped the car. Then this is useless as we are talking about parking a car. So this function is what it actually does because we are not even calling okay, we are calling the listen function, but there's no use of it here, so we'll just concentrate on this function. Before that we'll just see what are the other things. So we are appending the like lidar sensor and drops vehicle, so when we kill the program or stop the program, we can just destroy each actor one by one in the list, and that's it. So let's go with the bike control function. So here I have not done anything much, so I'll just run the Carla and I'll just show you the objective which we are going to perform. So cd slash cd windows no editor, then Carla. I will run it in a low quality and level, so I save some resources for my OBS. And now I'll just okay, I'll just open a new terminal. Okay, and I have something. Yeah, okay, done. Okay, this is a project code, and then we are going to run the Python project 224, I think. Yeah, 224 that by, and I'll just annotate my okay. Okay, now I'll just stop this guy and let's see. So as you see, we are spawning somewhere over here. So the objective is like we are going to take the bike like this till here, and then we are going to just turn the bike and we are just going to enter the house. Like very simple objective. So here, and you see there's like the data which we are getting from semantic lidar sensors, but we have already discussed about this pretty a little time, so I just want to skip it. Like distance of the objects from the vehicle, like 7, and as we go, you see rail track and distances 7, like all. So it will just show us all that. Okay, though there is no rail track here, I think there must be some glitch or something. We'll just look after. So as this is not our main attention here, so we'll just get going with this. So here what I've okay, this is not thing. So here what I've done, I just uh gave it a throttle for 15 seconds. So it will go till the house. Then I kept a handbrake. Then I kept the lights on. So before here I think I kept the low light. Okay, I did not keep any lights here. Okay. So there's nothing. So then I kept the high beam, the left blinker and the brake light. Then I kept a throttle for this much and I steer. Minus means like left side. So and plus means right. So you should be clear about that if you are using the steer like attribute in the apply control function. And when you're sleeping for 5 seconds, so it can turn. And then we are applying control like of point 3 throttle. Like throttle is the speed, steer is the turn, handbrake is the like clutch, you can say. And then we are setting the light state to high beam and brake. We are not giving a blinker as we are stop turning, and then after 5 seconds we are like, yeah, you got to stop, you're in the house. So really simple code, everything is simple. So let's get going. I'll just run the code once more time and let's see what it does. So okay, so you see this is our bike. It should start, and now I think you see the bike going, and then it should probably turn here. Like there's a risk of it hitting the power flower pots. Okay, yeah. So you see the high beam is on, left blinker, yeah, it's on, and the brake was on. So like I just said, there's a high probability. So sometimes when I wrote the code that time it worked properly. Like sometimes due to lags and all that, it just takes little time off to close. I'll just change it to 9, and now let's see what happens. Okay, where is the Carla? So we'll just try until it goes perfectly inside the house, because sometimes due to lag or something, it just takes some more time to turn, or it doesn't turns properly. So you there's a problem. So I think this should go well. Yeah, so it got inside the house perfectly. You see, and perfectly inside the house and parked. So this was our project, like really simple. And you see the semantic lidar sensor giving us all the feed. So I'll just pause it for 1 second. And you see vegetation at a distance of this thing, and roads, road lines, and all that, sidewalks. So you see all this thing, range is 100, and you see sky distance, ground is at 3. So you see we get all the distances here with respect to this environment. So this was the project, friends. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like the channel, subscribe the channel, and please share this video so everyone gets the knowledge. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. Bye bye.